Hey, good afternoon, Anwar. I'm trying to send this video in response to that email that you sent in earlier. We're going to quickly discuss about a few of the things that you wanted to know as to how you can work on. The first thing is obviously how you can update the menu. When you want to put up a new menu right here, you would have to first of all decide as to what kind of menu you would like. Menus can be of multiple types. They can either be a static menu like homepage where you just have the content, and it can either be a category menu like dry products, foods, body, variants, and all that. So these are all categories, and superfoods, fruit powders, vegetable powders, and so on. So these are subcategories. So let's just have an idea as to how you can work on that. All right. So first of all, let me delete this. And the place that you go to is obviously categories. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on categories. As soon as you click on categories, you will be you will get a page with all the listed categories and also the place to add up a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new one. I'm going to give it a name, and this is very important where it says parent. If you want it to be a subcategory meaning something like superfoods is actually a subcategory of dry products. So if you want this category that we're creating to be a subcategory of of a category, then you would go ahead and assign that parent category. If not, then you just leave it at none. In place of description, you go ahead and do that, and you go ahead and click on add a new product category. After you have done that, give it a second. Okay, so we have the new category right here. After we are done with that, we need to assign it. This is step one. Step two would be to actually assign it. So in order to do that, we go to appearance, we go to menus. That's from where you work on the menu. After you get into the menu, you have a couple of menus that you can work on. Footer menu 1, footer menu 2. This actually corresponds to the menu on the footer. What we're after is the primary menu, so we go ahead and click on select. And as soon as we do that, this list here should come up with all the one that we have on the home page: home, dry products, body, rare fine, and so on and so forth. Now, the category that we created, these are the most recent menus, but we created a product category. So we click on this one here, and you go ahead and click on view all, and you'll see that test is the one that we just created. We select that, we click add to menu. So what that does is the menu that we just created would now be added to the menu. So you can see it has come up here. Now I click on go and save menu. After that is saved, if everything works properly, which I think it should, the menu test should appear right beside blog here. Okay, let's refresh it one more time. Okay, there you go. So it's here. Now, obviously, since it's a product category, if I click on it, it would take me inside that specific category. As you can see from the menu here as well, it's a product category, and whatever products we assign to this specific category would display here. Now, while I'm here, let me just quickly show how you can rearrange that. Let's say you don't want one test to come after blog, but you want it to come before blog. So you can simply drag and drop this. So you can simply take it up and do this, and you can click on save menu, and there you go. It should be rearranged. There you go. The test is coming in front of blog now. If I want it to be a subcategory of someone, so there was one way when we created it to have it done that way. We can do it directly from here. So if we want test to be a subcategory of nutrition on the go, you can simply do this, and drag it slightly to the right so that it comes beneath that category, and go ahead and click on save and click refresh that. Okay, hold on. You can see that the parent is gone now, but if I hover my mouse on top of it, I can see it has come up as a subcategory. So it's pretty simple. If you want a category to be on the home page, you can simply go ahead and do that. Now if I wish to remove, I can drop it back up, and if I wish to remove this, I can simply go ahead and expand that and remove it. Click on save menu. If I go to the website, obviously you would have to wait for it to be updated so that you can see the changes. Now if I update this, there is no category as such, and obviously there is that category, but it's not listed on the menu. And if you wish to remove it from the category itself, you can simply go to products, you can go to categories, and I'm sorry about this, it's acting awfully slow today. It might be my computer because 1001 things are there, but I go on, I do this, or I can simply click on delete, and this should delete the menu item. Okay, there you go. So basically that is how you add a menu or how you create a category. Now the next thing that I'm going to talk about would obviously be products. Okay, so for products you can say, oh, you have two options. One is products. If you click on products, it's going to give you a list of all the products that we have on the website right now. Obviously these are all test products, but these are the products that we have, and obviously it will show you the name, the SKU, which is the code, if it is in stock, the price, the categories that it belongs to, specific tags, and the entire array. Now if you wish to edit a specific product, you can simply go to the product itself, click on edit, and it will give you all the parameters that you can work with. Change the price, increase or decrease the value and all that, and you can go and change the image. You can go ahead and save that. If you wish to add a product, you can simply click on add a product, and once you add the product, let me just point out a few things that you need to be wary of. You need to give it a name, you need to define it. You can put in the description here. The one most important thing that you need to be vigilant of, if I may, is which category you would like the product to be assigned to. You can either assign a product to a main category like body or dry products, or you could assign it to a subcategory like meat powder. So it depends. So whatever you do, put in all the parameters. If you go down to the bottom, you'll see all other parameters that you want, like general, what the price is going to be, if the inventory is going to be, how what the stock, or what the order, what the ID is going to be, if you wish to manage stock, and how much would you like for it to be, what the shipping price is going to be, what the linked products are going to be. Linked products are the ones that you would display on a specific product description page, so people would understand that you would like for them to consider this specific product after they have gone through that. And you can define attributes, you can write a short product description, and then on the right hand side you have the product image. So basically this is the page which would allow you to put in all the required product parameters, and after you're done with that and you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and click on publish, and that specific product would be published on a specific category or a product that you have decided. I hope this helps, and if there is any trouble with it or any issues with it, just send me an email. I will try and send you another video with this, but I hope this helps. Go ahead and play around with it and try and add a few products, and let me know how you go. So thank you so much for that, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.